Okay everyone, time to eat the lunch. Daddy Pig went out and bought. Peppa, please take your time eating your food this time because last time you ate too fast and you had a stomachache.
No, freaking Mommy Pig. I will eat how fast I want. I am sick of you trying to control me. Time to eat this food in one bite.
Oh my freaking gosh. Peppa, freaking pig. How on earth dare you eat so fast that you burp and screw up the entire meal process for the rest of the freaking family? That was so unfreaking called for. That was so nasty, so disgusting. That's so like freaking it. You are going to get grounded big time. Oh. Peppa freaking pig. You freaking hog. How on earth dare you do that? That's so like freaking it. You are grounded for 9 years. Go to your room and never come out.